Sa ngayon, may mga kaso tayong malapit ng hinog, ika nga, tapos na ang fact-finding, mahigit 8 kaso na ang natapos na ang fact-finding at mag-PI na kami. Itong linggong ito ipa-file. At karamihan itong mga kasong to ay sa congressman. Mga congressman, contractors. At inaasahan namin na magtutuloy-tuloy na ang mga kasong ito. Kumbaga, uminit na sa tag-init. Di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo noon, iinit. At sa tag-init, at ngayon, uulan ng kaso. Uulan ng kaso. Yung baha, tingnan natin. Kasi yung flood control, problema talaga yun. Oh. Tanong.
Yung complaints sa 8 po ninyo, mga flood control related naman to against Congress?
Karamihan, flood control, tsaka conflict of interest. Sako pareho yan. Kasi bawal nga maging contractor eh. Bawal yan eh. Kaya lang, hindi ito pinansin ng napakatagal na panahon. Ngunit alam naman natin, isa yan sa mga dahilan kung bakit nagkakagulo-gulo tayo sa larangan ito. Parang nawala na yung dividing line between decent and indecent behavior.
Tuloy ko lang. Sir, when you say IFA-file na,
For preliminary investigation.
Okay.
Hinog na ang fact-finding at preliminary investigation na. Of course, may mga ibang kaso pa na yan, may hinog-hinog na dyan din papunta sa PI din.
mamaya namin puntahan yun, sir. Pero let's stay muna dun sa 8. Mga Kong lang to, sir.
8 or more than 8 yan. Puro congressman yan.
Can you just, maybe if you cannot give the names, paano po yung involvement nila, as in medyo broad strokes of their involvement?
Yung isa rito kasi, yung contractor, yung sinasabi natin na conflict of interest. Kung ikaw congressman ka. Kung ikaw contractor ka. Magkahiwalay na trabaho yan. Pag pinag-isa mo yung trabahong yan, kasalanan yan sa taong bayan. Very simple yan. Conflict of interest yan. Section 3E ba yan? 3E ng Anti-Graphic Corrupt Practices Act. Tsaka H, 3H.
Sir, what about wala pa po.
Meron din kami for PI at ipa-file na yun this week. Meron din rin kaming baka resolutions within the week na ipa-file rin sa Korte sa Sandigan Bayan for that.
Ilang senador po ba yan, sir?
Ang iniisip namin dito, 2 o 3. Yan ang tinitingnan namin kung mahihinog na. Pero yung isa hinog na para i-file sa Sandigan Bayan.
At least one, sir.
At least one.
At
Isa
least
for
one.
PI.
For PI. Okay, sir.
Kaya yung pangalan natin?
Wala muna. Malalaman nyo naman yan pagdating ng tamang oras.
Kailan yung one? This week, sir? Next week?
This week. This week yan. Ang pinag-uusapan natin itong linggong to.
One senator.
Iba pa yung next week. Iba yung trabaho this week. Iba yung trabaho next week.
One senator this week.
Baka dalawa.
Senator, sir? Sandigan.
Dalawa.
Sandigan pa yan.
Ni isang Sandigan, isang PI.
Okay.
Tama ba?
Senator, okay.
Baka dalawa pa.
Sir, mga
Isang
30
dalawa. Isang Sandigan, isang mga
One
PI.
senator, Sandigan.
Ah.
Okay, sir.
Isang preliminary investigation. Tapos, yung mga contractor, puro PI na yan, no? Puro PI. Pero although may isa pang contractor, baka i-file na namin sa Sandigan rin. Yun din.
Sir, dun po sa isang senador, ito po ba yung related sa flood control?
Baka hindi. Ayan yung conflict of interest lang. Yung kaya more of plunder due to, alam yun na yun.
Sir, is it Senator Joel Villanueva
Wrong.
for this week?
For PI.
For PI? Okay.
Oh.
And then,
Sayang naman yung logo.
and then any clue dun sa yung senator for this week? Any clue kung sino?
Si Senator Marcoleta, definitely, for resolution na. We're about to file it already.
This week yung kay Marcoleta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pagsasampalan ng kaso, sir, tama? Pagsasampalan po ng kaso.
Magkasampayan ng kaso na, sa Sandigan na yan.
Plunder, sir, di ba?
Ha?
Plunder yung pending.
Plunder.
Kasama po dito yung mga correspondents niya, sila defensor, yung mga na-implicate po natin.
Kasama yan, kasama sila. I don't know kung same forum yan, no? Same forum. Same jurisdiction.
Sir, yung status kay Joel,
Yun nga, for PI.
For
na.
Reso.
For PI na.
for
Ah,
PI.
PI na yan. Yeah, so, tuloy-tuloy, kahit na kasi we were abroad, tuloy-tuloy yung correspondence namin sa mga nangyayari dito. Kaya, yan, we just came here to announce that work is ongoing and we will do it.
Sir, yung kay Escudero,
Malapit na. Malapit na. Isa yan sa inaayos namin, nakasabay na ibang kasong plunder na aming pa-file within the next few days, within the next few weeks. Maybe it will take 2 to 3 weeks more for us to file cases in the courts and for preliminary investigation. PI na, naka-PI na yun, di ba?
Sir, I'll stay lang with, unless hindi pa kayo.
I'll stay lang with the...
At tapos ano pala, we already have a signed agreement for the cooperation of former Secretary Manuel Bunoan to be a state witness, to be a cooperating witness. We will discharge him we will ask the court to discharge him as a respondent so he can testify for us as a state witness.
Sir, elaboration, why? Kasi bukas, sir, may arraignment yata siya sa 5th.
Yes, pero meron na kaming standing agreement. We filed already a motion to discharge him as an accused so that he can be a witness for the prosecution.
Sir, elaboration lang ng why we need him as a state witness.
The knowledge that he has about the whole institution is something very important to us to be able to prove many cases. There are other people who will be we will be benefiting from his testimony with regards to so many of the cases that we are filing. Okay?
Sir, konti pa. Sir, pasagutin na natin ikaw. Kasi yung mga nagsasabi, una muna, binabawasan nyo yung mga minority senators sa Senate para pagdating ng,
Hindi. Wala yan. I didn't even ask this to happen. All the evidence came from, where. Diba? Hindi naman namin hiningi ito mangyari. Pero nangyari ito, dahil motu proprio, apparently the crime was committed in open knowledge of everybody. All of you are witness to the actuations of the guy, of what he has said in public. That of course, given the sworn statements that he has executed, will actually make a case for his being charged of plunder.
Nag-file na rin po ba si Mike Defensor? Ang counter nila? Both.
I think so.
Sir, advance ko lang ng konti yung story. Kasi si Senator Chingoy has been suspended by the Senate as per order by the Sandigan, no?
Yes.
So the same thing is going to happen to Senator Marcoleta? Kasi plunder, sir?
Yes. It will depend on the court, of course.
Okay. And then if and when the Sandigan Bayan suspends him, can he still participate? Question whether senator facing a plunder non-bailable case at the Sandigan Bayan, can they still participate in Senate proceedings?
In accordance with the plunder law, they cannot anymore. Exactly.
Sir, update lang dun sa case conference natin, dun sa mga ex-Marines. Kasi di ba pinatawag natin sila dito.
Yes.
Is it for case filing na po ba yung mga...
We are utilizing, we are evaluating some of the affidavits that they have executed individually and will be filing these cases soon.
Sir, related pa po sa mga Marines, kasi
I think
po,
for 4 to 6 statements might be useful to us.
sir, related din po sa mga Marines, kasi po si Attorney Baligo, they're facing cyber libel cases nga po sa DOJ. And meron po siyang statement last time na sinasabi niya na i-dismiss na nga raw po ng DOJ itong mga cases kasi daw parang may conflict of interest kasi ginagamit na rin yung statements daw nila affidavit dito sa according to Attorney Baligod, kapag daw ginamit na ng ombudsman ito, ibig sabihin daw may katotohanan yung mga statements.
What
daw na
happens in the DOJ stays with the DOJ. We have nothing to do with what the DOJ rules upon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Sir, but ito, sir, yung ano lang.
Hindi, may yung kay Bonoan lang uli. Sir, may kinalaman din ba ito dun sa health niya?
Well, of course. His health is of concern to us, and we want to be able to perpetuate his testimony as soon as possible. Kaya nga, it's important to us that he be discharged already so that he can be our witness. Ano to eh, kasi nga, the tactic here and what we're trying to do here is to finish the cases as early as possible. Kasi yung naging dating lumang tugtugin na ng inordinate delay of justice, eh hindi ho mangyayari dito. Sa atin dito, we do the case build-up so we can present the cases immediately. Wala hong mahabang kaso-kaso rito. Basta andyan na yung ebidensya, ilalatag namin yan pag handa na kami. At malamang hindi namin ifa-file ang kaso pag hindi kami handa.
Si Secretary Bonoan po will be stayed with us alongside sila Yusek, yung mga dating Yusek. Di ba? For all that
Yes. For all intents and purposes, he will be testifying for the prosecution.
Okay, sir. Pardon me for belaboring the point. No? Ano nga pong status nila Senator Villanueva, Senator Escudero? Ongoing PI, correct?
Ongoing PI.
Okay. And relatedly, kasi ang sasabi ng iba, the reason why they transferred was in exchange for...
I am not privy to anything of that nature. No, mind you, we don't make deals with anybody with regards to the culpability or innocence of anybody. We don't make deals with that.
And you're not going to be...
So all the deals that we make here will be in open court. If we will discharge you as a witness, we will have you discharged as a witness. But there are no other deals accepted here.
Thank you.
Ombudsman sir, yung mga contractors is puro PI lang po yun, yung 8. Wala pong kaso. And
Meron isa dyan, hinog na, papasok na Sandigan Bayan. Pero yung 8, ito PI na. PI pa lang to, no? PI pa lang.
So in total po, mga siyam.
Mahigit 8 yan, mahigit 8 yan.
Okay.
Mahigit 8.
Ombudsman, good afternoon. Ano po yung maring naging dahil, Ombudsman, kung bakit preliminary investigation pa rin yung ilalabas against Senator Joel Villanueva? For in fact, ang pagkakaintindi ko during the last time na magkaroon ng press conference with you, Ombudsman, ay parang ifa-file na yung kaso.
Hindi namin tinanggap yung findings ng DOJ kasi nakulangan kami sa case build-up na ginawa ng DOJ, so we had to conduct our own. And we have to conduct our own. Ano yan eh? It's our choice whether or not to accept the work of the DOJ because we delegate work to them. And in case we have to improve on the cases to make sure that they're tight cases, watertight cases, then we conduct our own PI in this office. Kasi nga, what we delegated was not the result was not satisfactory to us.